Thank you for staying peaceful.
Really, please leave immediately. Immediately.
I decided to go to the bird thawing event. Well, to be honest, the reason is really near and dear to my heart. I saw it in a TikTok. The answer to this question is really up to your imagination. If you think that a live bird was frozen in a block of ice for multiple months and then released, I'm just gonna let you continue to think that. So, from my understanding, the owners of the event did not actually have any sort of permit to have hundreds of people in a parking lot along with a band and a food truck to watch a bird thawing event. However, I could be wrong. I don't really know what happened, but we did have to leave.
However, I would like to know what the police were thinking when they got there and they were like, we have to shut down a bird thawing event, and then they saw a bunch of mostly college kids who had signs saying free him pass a bird that was in a chunk of ice around a parking lot as the song Free Bird was playing, while multiple grown adults were dressed as birds. There was merch too, and I just really want to know